Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new chapter. Chapter number 2, fractions and decimals. The name of your chapter is fractions and decimal. So student, in this video, I will take your introduction class. I will discuss about the fraction, types of fraction, decimal number and types of decimal, etc. I will discuss today. This video is totally depend on introduction of fraction and decimal. And if you want to note in your fair notebook the important terms, topic and definition. So student, in the last of the chapter, what have we discussed is given. From there, you will note all the definition, all the terms, all the formulas of this chapter from your book, and you will write in your fair notebook. Here, only you will try to understand whatever I am saying. जो कुछ मैं कह रहा हूं, जो कुछ मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, यहां पर आप समझने की कोशिश करेंगे, सीखने की कोशिश करेंगे। और अगर आपको नोट करना होगा, राइट करना होगा, तो आपकी बुक में लास्ट पेज पर व्हाट हैव वी डिस्कस हेडिंग राइट करके दिया हुआ है, सारे डेफिनेशन और सारे टर्म्स। सो स्टूडेंट, द नेम ऑफ चैप्टर इज फ्रैक्शन and decimal. So firstly, we should know what is the fraction. In previous classes, you have known part of the whole is called the fraction, is right? Right. It's correct definition. Part of the whole, किसी भी चीज को, किसी भी एक चीज को अगर पार्ट कर दिया जाए, each part is called the fraction. तो उस पार्ट को हम फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. But here, we modify the definition. Fraction the number in the form of A upon B, where A and B are a natural number. Is known as fraction. Example: 3 upon 5, 4 upon 9, etc. You know very well about the fraction. The number in the form of A upon B, कोई भी नंबर अगर A upon B के फॉर्म में राइट है, राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ A upon B, बट A and B is a natural number. A और B क्या होने चाहिए? A and B should be a natural number. You are seeing in the example, 3 is a natural number, 5 is a natural number, and this number is written in the form of A upon B. I see 3 upon 5 is written as same A upon B. 4 upon 9, 4 and 9 is a natural number also, and it is written in the form of A upon B. So you can say that 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 9 is a fraction. Student, I hope you have understood fraction very well. Now, student, at this time we discuss about the types of fraction. Types of fraction. There are many types of fraction. You have studied in your previous classes. Same. We discuss here first decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. Second, vulgar fraction. Vulgar fraction. Third, proper fraction. Fourth, improper fraction. Fifth, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Sixth, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. 7, like fraction. 8, unlike fraction. And last is unit fraction. Unit fraction. So student, perhaps in your previous classes you have studied about the proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, equivalent fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction and unit fraction. In class 6 and 5th you have studied all these types of fraction, but 2 new types fraction you need to study in class 7th. 2 नए टाइप के फ्रैक्शन आपको स्टडी करने हैं यहाँ पर, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन एंड वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. वेरी इजी स्टूडेंट. व्हाट इज द डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन? व्हाट इज द डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन? A fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called the decimal fraction. All those fractions whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, etc. are called decimal fraction. 10, 100, 1000, like this. What you are seeing common in all these numbers? 1 and 0. 1 and 0 are common. 1 and 0 इसमें भी है, 1 and 0 इसमें भी है, 1 and 0 इसमें है. So you can say, for your understanding, these type numbers 1-0 type number. इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? 1-0 टाइप नंबर. अपने समझने के लिए 1-0 टाइप नंबर इज नॉट डिस्कशन इन द बुक. बुक में इसका डिस्कशन नहीं है. दिस इज अ ट्रिक फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग टू आवर सेल्फ. ये समझने के लिए, हमको समझने के लिए, हम समझ सकें. यू कैन से 1-0 टाइप नंबर. 1-0 टाइप नंबर, इट मीन्स दैट फ्रैक्शन विच डिनोमिनेटर इज 1-0 type number, looks 1-0 type number is called the decimal fraction. वे सभी फ्रैक्शन जिसका डिनोमिनेटर 1-0 टाइप नंबर दिखे हमको, that is the decimal fraction. Very easy. So example you can say 3/100, 5/1000, 7/10. You are seeing all are decimal fraction. Why? Because denominator of these fractions are 1-0 type number, are 10, 100, 1000, etc. I hope student you have understood about the decimal fraction. So कोई भी fraction, any fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. or one, you can say 1-0 type number is called the decimal fraction. Next is vulgar fraction, just opposite of the decimal fraction. Just opposite of the decimal fraction. In decimal fraction, denominators 10, 100, 1000, and in vulgar fraction, denominator other than 10, 100 and 1000. 10 टाइप नंबर के अलावा अगर कोई डिनोमिनेटर होता है, दैट इज द वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. एग्जांपल 4/9 is a vulgar fraction. Why? Because denominator is other than 10, 100 and 1000. इसका डिनोमिनेटर जो है 10, 100 और 1000 के अलावा भी है कोई दूसरा नंबर. सो दिस इज द वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. 7/2 is a vulgar fraction. Why? Because denominator is other than 10, 100 and 1000. 10, 100, 1000 के अलावा भी इसका कोई डिनोमिनेटर है नंबर 2. So these are vulgar fraction, student. I hope, student, you have understood decimal fraction and vulgar fraction, and you can make the difference between decimal and vulgar fraction. And remaining types of fraction, student, you have studied already in class 5th and class 6th, but in thirdly I will discuss here proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is less than denominator. Example 2/7. 2/7 is a proper fraction. Proper fraction 2/7. 2/7 is a proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is less than denominator. Just opposite. You can say in improper fraction definition, improper fraction numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator जो है denominator से ज्यादा होना चाहिए. Just opposite 7/2. You can write the example 7/2. 7/2 is a improper fraction. Why? Because numerator is greater than denominator, student. So I hope clear. Proper and improper both are opposite to each other. Mixed fraction, combination of, listen the definition carefully, combination of whole number and proper fraction is called the mixed fraction. अगर whole number और proper fraction का combination एक साथ होता है, that is called the mixed fraction. Example, student, like this 3 and 2/7. 3 whole 2/7. This is called the mixed fraction, student. Why? Because 3 is a whole number. 3 is a whole number and 2/7 is a proper fraction. So these are mixed fraction. All these fractions you have studied already in previous classes. So I am not taking this seriously about these fractions. Only 2 new fractions you are studying in the class 7th. Decimal fraction and vulgar fraction. Next is equivalent fraction. If the given fraction is equal to after the multiplying by the same number in numerator and denominator is called the equivalent fraction. What I am saying is, student, listen me carefully again. If the given fraction is equal to the product of, by multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, in the given fraction and product are equal to the given fraction, then both are called the equivalent fraction. Like, student, I am taking example, given fraction is 2/7. Suppose that given fraction is 2/7 and question is asking you find the equivalent fraction of 2/7. 2/7 का इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बताइए. So what is the equivalent fraction? If the given fraction is equal to the product of, by multiplying in numerator and denominator by the same number in the given fraction is equal, then both are called equivalent fraction. You can take any number. You can take any number by which you will multiply in numerator and denominator. Suppose that I am taking the number 3 and you will multiply by 3 in numerator and denominator, and you will find the product. 2 3 is 6 and 7 3 is 21. 6/21 is the product, and we get the product by multiplying 3 in numerator and denominator of the given fraction. So 2/7 and 6/21 are equivalent fraction, means both are equal in value. These are called equivalent fraction, student. These are called equivalent fraction. So student, I hope student you have understood about the equivalent fraction. And next is like fraction. Like fraction, fraction having the same denominator. Fractions having the same denominator is called the like fraction. Suppose that many fractions is given like this, student. Two upon 7, 4/9, 3/7, and 9/7, and 6/5. And if you need to find the equivalent like fraction, like fraction. So I have told you the definition of the like fraction. Like fraction, fractions having the same denominator. वे सभी फ्रैक्शन जिसके डिनोमिनेटर सेम होते हैं आर कॉल्ड द लाइक फ्रैक्शन. So you can search easily. This fraction has the denominator 7, and this fraction also has the denominator 7, and this fraction also has the denominator 7. So you can say 2/7, 3/7, and 9/7 are like fraction. And unlike fraction, student, just opposite. Fractions having the different denominator. वे सभी फ्रैक्शन जिनके डिनोमिनेटर डिफरेंट होते हैं, मीन्स 4/9 and 6/5 are unlike fraction. In one example, you can tell both types of fraction, like and unlike. 2/7, 3/7, 9/7 are like. Why? Because denominators are same. 4/9, 6/5 are unlike fraction. Why? Because denominators are different. So student, I hope you have understood. Next is unit fraction. Very easy. That fraction which numerator is 1. Numerator is 1. Is called the unit fraction. You have known in previous classes. Like 1/3, 1/7, 1/9, 1/11, all are यूनिट फ्रैक्शन. ये सभी कैसे हैं? यूनिट फ्रैक्शन है स्टूडेंट. So student, I hope you have understood about the fraction and types of fraction. And if you want to write the all definitions in your fair copy, so in what have we discussed, all definitions are given from your book. You can note down in your fair notebook. So student, next fraction, and in your book we need to study addition of fraction, multiplication of fraction, division of fraction, subtraction of fraction. So student, in exercise I will discuss how can we add two or more fraction, how can we multiply, how can we subtract, how can we divide two fraction. I will discuss in exercise. When we start the exercise, I will discuss. How can we add, subtract, multiply and divide? So student, here I am taking the introduction class. So you should know the important terms and definitions and formulas also. So student, next point is decimal. सेकंड क्या है? डेसिमल. अभी आपने डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन पढ़ा, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन, बट हियर I will discuss about the decimal number. What is decimal number? Decimal number क्या होता है? Decimal number. Perhaps everybody know about the decimal number, student. But if I ask you define the decimal number, perhaps you will not feel the comfort. Decimal. डेसिमल नंबर. डेसिमल नंबर क्या होता है? यू विल से 2/7. सर 2/7 इज अ डेसिमल नंबर. यस, बिल्कुल, यू आर राइट, यू आर करेक्ट. मैं भी तो कर रहा हूं. 2/7 इज अ डेसिमल नंबर. सॉरी स्टूडेंट, 2.7 इज अ डेसिमल नंबर. बट हाउ कैन वी डिफाइन? इफ एनीवन आस्क यू व्हाट इज द डेसिमल नंबर, What will you tell him? तो आप बताएंगे क्या उसको? 2/7 is a decimal, 2.7 is a decimal number? No. He wants to know to you definition of the decimal number. So, student, listen me carefully. Any decimal number has the two part. कोई भी decimal number होगा, पहले आप इसको समझिए, इसके बाद definition पर आते हैं, हम आपसे बात करते हैं. Any decimal number has the two part, whole number part and fractional part. Whole number part and fractional part. Suppose that, same example I am taking, 2.7. 2.7 is a decimal number and this decimal number has the two part. Two part. Whole number part and decimal part. Where is whole number part and where is decimal part? That number, that digit which is written before the decimal point is called the whole number part, and that number or digit written after the decimal point is called the fractional part. Fractional part. It's clear? Now listen the definition, students. A number, I'm not talking about the decimal. I'm not saying the decimal. I'm saying a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by the dot sorry student, by a dot or decimal point is called the decimal number. कोई भी नंबर जिसका होल नंबर पार्ट और डेसिमल फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट किसी डॉट के द्वारा मींस डेसिमल पॉइंट के द्वारा सेपरेट किए जाते हैं, दैट इज द डेसिमल नंबर. वही डेसिमल नंबर होते हैं. अभी आप बोलेंगे कि सर 0.07 वेयर इज होल नंबर पार्ट? इसमें तो होल नंबर पार्ट दिख नहीं रहा है. यस, 0 is a whole number, you know, and this decimal point, this dot is separated the whole number part and fraction part. whole number part को और fraction part को अलग कर रहा है, separate कर रहा है, अलग अलग बता रहा है. So this is the decimal number. So student, in easy way you can say a number whose whole number part and fractional part is separated by a dot or point is called the decimal number. कोई भी नंबर जो किसी डॉट के द्वारा जो किसी डॉट के द्वारा उसके होल नंबर पार्ट को और फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट को सेपरेट करते हैं, अलग करते हैं, दैट इज द डेसिमल नंबर. I hope student you have understood about the decimal number. Now, come to the decimal places. Decimal places. Decimal places. I will discuss decimal places. Decimal places. Decimal places क्या होते हैं? Number of digit. Number of digit which comes after the decimal point is called the decimal places. Means this decimal number has the two decimal places. देखिए आप, डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट आया है, so this decimal number has the 2 decimal places and this decimal number has the 1 decimal places. And the name of the decimal places, student, what will you say the name of the decimal places? So student, suppose that 0.071, this is a decimal number. This is called decimal places. This decimal number has the 3 decimal places, 1, 2 and 3, because after the decimal point 3 digit has come. So this decimal number has the 3 decimal places and the name of places is first place या first digit which comes after the decimal point is called the 10th place. 10th place. 10th place, जानिएगा, 10th place, and the digit, the number which comes after the first place के बाद जो आता है, that is called 100th place. 100th place. 100th place and third digit which comes after the decimal point is called the 1000th place. थाउजेंथ प्लेस. तो ये इसके प्लेस होते हैं. If I ask you how many decimal places in this decimal number, your answer will be 3. And the name of first place is 10th place. Second, the name of second place is 100th place, and name of third place is 1000th place, student. So I hope places are clear of the decimal point. Now, types of decimal number. Types of decimal number. Types of decimal number, student. There are 2 types of decimal number: like decimal, unlike decimal. Like decimal and unlike decimal. If the number of places of the decimal number are same, is called the like decimal. If the number of places of the decimal numbers are different, are called unlike decimal number. Like student, 2.7, 3.04 and 2.8 and 3.9 and 7.100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 decimal number are given and question is asking you find the like decimal. Like decimal, search the like decimal. Like decimal इसमें बताइए कौन सा है. So student, like decimal कौन सा होगा? All that decimal number which have the same decimal places, same number of decimal places is called the like decimal. Like decimal number. डेसिमल के बाद 1 प्लेस, डेसिमल के बाद 1 प्लेस, डेसिमल के बाद 1 प्लेस. नंबर ऑफ डेसिमल प्लेसेस आर सेम, सो दीज आर लाइक डेसिमल. ये सभी क्या है? लाइक डेसिमल. स्टूडेंट, लाइक डेसिमल नंबर. लाइक डेसिमल नंबर कौन कौन से हैं? 2.7, 2.8 एंड 3.9, ये सभी क्या है? लाइक डेसिमल नंबर. एंड अनलाइक डेसिमल नंबर, unlike decimal number student, unlike decimal number are, this decimal number has the two decimal places and this decimal number has the 3 decimal places. Number of decimal places are different, so these are unlike decimal number, means 3.04 and 7.100 are unlike decimal number. I hope student you have understood like decimal and unlike decimal. And student, in your book you need to study addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of the decimal number, and all these things, about all these things I will discuss in exercise. How can we add, how can we subtract, how can we multiply, how can we divide of the decimal number. डेसिमल नंबर को कैसे ऐड किया जाता है, कैसे सब्ट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, डिवाइड किया जाता है, मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, ये सब चीजें मैं एक्सरसाइज में डिस्कस करूंगा. बस जो आपकी डेफिनेशन थी, जो आपके टर्म्स थे, जो आपको समझना था, वो मैंने आपको यहाँ पर बता दिया. आप समझ जाइए और अपनी बुक से इसको नोट कर लीजिए. इन फ्रैक्शन टॉपिक स्टूडेंट, वन थिंग आई हैव लेफ्ट, सो आई विल डिस्कस हियर रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन. रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन, रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन, ये एक टॉपिक आपका छूट गया था वहां पर. सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हियर रेसिप्रोकल फ्रैक्शन. टू फ्रैक्शन आर कॉल्ड रेसिप्रोकल टू ईच अदर. टू फ्रैक्शंस आर कॉल्ड reciprocal to each other if their product is 1. Very easy student. दो फ्रैक्शन रेसिप्रोकल तभी कहे जाएंगे जब उनका प्रोडक्ट क्या हो? 1. Like example student, I am not writing the definition. Definition is given in your book. From there you can note 4/9 and 9/4. Look here, I am taking here two fraction, 4/9 and 9/4. Both are fraction. Because numerator and denominator are natural number and it is written in the form of a upon b, so it is a fraction. So definition of the reciprocal fraction, that if the product of two fraction is 1, so both are called reciprocal to each other. अगर दो फ्रैक्शन का प्रोडक्ट 1 हो जाए तो वे दोनों एक दूसरे क्या कहलाएंगे? रेसिप्रोकल कहलाएंगे. चलिए मल्टीप्लाई करके देख लेते हैं. 4 9 जा 36, 9 4 जा 36, डिवाइड करेंगे क्या आएगा? 1. और वैसे भी आप देख सकते हैं 9 to 9 कैंसिल, 4 to 4 कैंसिल, आया क्या? 1. सो इनका प्रोडक्ट क्या आ रहा है? वी गेट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ 4/9 and 9/4 as 1, so both are reciprocal to each other. That's all student. इतनी ही बातें आपको हमें बतानी थी, इतनी ही सिखानी थी, जो मैं सोचता हूं आप सीख गए होंगे. सो स्टूडेंट, इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई विल स्टार्ट योर एक्सरसाइज. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू वेरी मच.